TeamShineForce.com's rolling out. Sign up for the newsletter to stay up to date with all the exclusive content rolling out this season. Thanks for watching. Stay shiny. Take a seat. Oh, yeah. Good to see you. So I try to line it right at, so it's not like a second and a half off or something. 13, 14. There we go. Sometimes it's just a little off, but cool. Let's get shiny. Cool. So first things first. How you doing, Bill?
I'm doing good.
Good.
Yeah.
So what's new over at Homer Reed this week?
Getting some fall stuff in.
Yeah? Starting to get some
sweaters.
Those vests are pretty cool.
Yeah, those vests were nice. They won't last long.
No. Got the U.S. soccer women's team out there. The Olympic team, is it?
It's
the
world. I think it's the world team.
World team, yeah.
They'll narrow it down to the U.S. Olympic team.
Oh, okay.
I guess after they train here, they'll go to the Netherlands.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
To start playing there.
Oh, okay.
No one gets sick.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, they're taking extra precautions out there, we see.
There's a lot going on downtown.
Yeah.
Even though there's not as many businesses down there, there's a lot going on.
Yeah.
Brown's getting new furniture.
Doing a little reno.
You know. There's a few people in and out. Every week, a little more traffic down.
Yeah, it's starting to pick up a little bit. Slowly but surely, we'll get it back.
You know, guys are starting to drop off shoes.
Yeah.
Out in the tech center, so they're starting to get out and about down there.
Heck yeah, man.
Pull their dusty shoes out.
Yeah.
Get them clean.
Yeah. So that salt remover, I call it, is just basically like a diluted vinegar solution, so it kind of pulls some of those water spots out.
Yeah.
And then I like to clean them up with the saddle soap here.
Yeah, these are my winter.
Your beaters, huh?
You gotta get them ready.
Heck yeah, man.
Winter will come eventually.
It's coming.
Maybe we'll put out some of these fires too. Yeah?
Right? Yeah. Been experiencing a lot of fires out here.
Rattle of the new furniture going.
Making rounds, aren't they?
Good job.
Moving all day long. I'd rather be shining.
Gotta do what you're good at, right?
Right?
Those girls are going to need their cleats shiny.
Yeah. Come on in. I'm wearing flip-flops right there with their socks on. That's kind of the athletic look right there. Keep your cleats clean for the field.
Right.
Yeah. Give them a nice little scrub-a-dub, clean them up. Looking better already.
You are. I was going to say, man.
Yeah, half the battle's just cleaning them up, really, and then keeping the leather from drying out is was kind of the other main focus.
People don't realize in Colorado that leather's sitting in the closet. Even though you're not wearing it, it's drying out.
Yeah.
It's when it's climbing.
Yeah, these shoes I'm wearing, they were sitting in my closet for, since about March or so, and they were looking pretty crusty. Had to get them looking good again. Let's hydrate them a little bit. I got some good universal cream here before I use the cream polish. Plus it smells good.
So whenever you're at it, just jump off. No real.
Jumping on the bus.
Mm-hmm.
Over to Dick's.
Yeah.
Sporting good. I guess they call it Dick's.
Yeah, I think they call it Dick's when
Dick's Stadium. Or
when fish comes out. They play a fish Dick's. Almost fish sticks, but a little different.
I think that's where you're going.
Yeah, that'd make the most sense, wouldn't it? They got a big field out there, a couple fields, I think, at least, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to the American World Soccer Team, ladies soccer team. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know how long you're going. A week or so.
They're hanging out, yeah.
Might be longer. Call it, making a phone.
Yeah.
Sit here and shine and watch the soccer girls
Heck
walk
yeah,
by.
man.
I like where we got this chair sitting because you
So
can sit and watch the world go by.
Right?
You know?
Catch the reflection of the flag off the back of the window of the truck there.
The
That's really
noise,
cool.
The noise of downtown Denver.
Right?
The hum of it, I should say.
Sirens, jackhammers, hand trucks.
Hey, at least the hum is starting to get going again.
Yeah.
You know, it's getting a little more cleaned up.
Just like these shoes.
They're transforming before your very eyes.
Right? Yeah, when that cream kind of does its
Soaks in
job,
there.
yeah, it's easier to buff out, and it looks a little better. But for the first couple minutes, it's kind of doing its job and drying, and if you try to brush it too quick, it doesn't always work.
It's nice you get it off so it doesn't get on the pants,
Yeah,
on the socks.
gotta work it into the leather.
Too many shiny guys leave too much on there.
Yeah, less is more, really. Once you start really putting too much on there, the leather will only take so much of that product.
And that probably doesn't give as good a shine either.
Yeah, when you start
You're just
caking
putting
it
too
on.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just caked up. And then you get that cracking.
Yeah, with the waxes, that definitely builds up.
But how much notice do you need to have the appointments?
I mean, as long as I'm not too busy that day, just kind of earlier in the day. But it's always nice to have a little bit more planning time.
Yeah.
I usually ask for like a day's notice, but so I can help plan out my week a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think the drop-off thing is really a cool thing where people can just come here, pick out something like a vest that they might need, drop off a bag full of shoes, come back.
Either store, even the one out in the tech center.
Yeah.
Drop it off.
Yeah.
That's even closer to you.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's all about convenience for a lot of people nowadays, you know. Looking a little better.
Little. You take them off and put them in the museum.
Bring them over next door to the Navarre building.
Yeah, bring them over to the Navarre building. Let the ghost see them.
Right.
Maybe see the reflection of the ghost in there. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of history over there.
A little haunted,
Yeah.
they say. They say the ghosts go between the Brown and the Navarre building.
In that tunnel.
In the tunnel.
Runs right under the street, huh?
Under the street.
That's crazy.
You get caught in there, cause trouble.
Yeah.
As the stories go.
Yeah. So that was kind of during the Prohibition time where
Yeah.
drinking wasn't allowed, where people would kind of go over there to the brothel or something? Or?
Right. They go to the brothel. You know, and it was how they used to heat downtown with the coal underneath.
Oh.
So that's why the tunnels were there.
Oh, okay.
But then everybody used them to go back and forth to the brothel.
Yeah.
From the smoke from the cigar room to the restaurant.
Yeah, I sure would like to get access into that tunnel someday. It'd be kind of cool to see, wouldn't it?
Yeah. They used to do something around Halloween about it.
Yeah.
Because it's supposed to be haunted.
Yeah.
You know, it's all haunted. So they used to give tours. I don't know, you know,
No,
with what's going on this year.
Yeah,
Probably
everything.
not, but
Yeah. Everything seems
definitely
to
be
canceled.
interested to see.
Yeah, it would.
You know, little Halloween.
A little better.
Little. 100%.
Looks like a new pair of shoes.
It does.
Good old grandma's nylon. Yeah, people ask me where I get these. You know, I got to make another trip down to Florida and raid grandma's sock drawer.
Hey, they work.
Heck yeah, man. Put a little coat of this mirror glass on there, just to kick it up a notch. Yeah, it really kind of clogs the pores a little bit further to kick up that shine a little bit.
Makes it helps it last too.
Yeah, it does.
I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah, this wax is good. The stuff here is just has a little bit more solvents in it to kind of make it easier to spread around. More like butter.
you don't end up with a shine that lasts 24 hours.
Right. Yeah, some shoes aren't really designed to be too shiny, but
Right.
I like kicking them up a notch when they are able to shine a little brighter.
Maybe you see doing more. I mean, these are all dress shoes, but you're doing more. Some tennis shoes now too.
Yeah,
A
yeah.
white tennis shoe.
With the white outsole. Yeah, you guys got some Kohans here for sale that kind of have that style, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
Business up top, purdy on the bottom look.
Yeah. That's becoming
Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it?
polish your tennis shoe. Which I guess is better. Right?
Yeah, it's better than nothing, isn't it?
Keep them clean.
Yeah.
I mean, you'll last longer if you keep them nice and neat.
Gotta
Shoe trees in it.
protect your investment.
Even on a tennis shoe, people don't realize.
Yeah, if it's leather, it will take that wear in that area that the creases form.
Right. And how you walk. Some of these tennis shoes are cost more than dress shoes nowadays.
There we go. Got some tire shine here for you. Gonna kick it up a notch.
I think you already did.
So this is a little liquid silicone. They say you can put it on leather, but I typically don't. I like to use it on the rubber outsoles.
Yeah.
Just a nice way to clean them up and make them look a little bit more new.
Now, did you use that on that white rubber, or
You could.
would it?
I typically just clean them up, if it just needs to be cleaned. But
Does
if
this give that white rubber a shine?
you could, it might
If you
leave a
wanted.
little bit of a residue on there.
Yeah. Okay.
So I typically just do it on the darker rubber outsoles, like kind of what I'm wearing, or
Right.
the blown vulcanized
It
rubber.
accepts it better than a tennis shoe type.
I mean, you can put it on the white. I just think it might,
Not
might leave a chance of leaving a little bit of discoloration,
Yeah.
even though it is clear. It might dry a little bit crusty on there or something. So that's why I always come back and wipe off any excess residue with cloth, just so you're not leaving any, excess on there. But it's kind of just like a Armor All for tires,
Right. Gives it that added protection.
Yeah. Looking good, sir.
You look great.
Thanks for your time again.
100%.
Appreciate you.
You look great.
Come down to Homer Reed and give us a visit. Bill would love to help you out, make you look good, and I'll make you shine again. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next episode.